In this video today, we will see how to create an email list in Gmail for hundreds of email that you have. Now for that one, I'm going to open an Excel sheet. Then I will create a list. So let me write name here and then email. Now you can go on adding name and email. So in this way, you can go on adding name and the email of the person. After that, save this one. Under this option file format, I will select CSV. And then let me give a name email list and then save. After this, I will open a web browser. Then I will open this website contacts.google.com. I will select the Gmail account where I want to create the email list, and then I will enter the password. Next, select create contact. Select this option create multiple contacts. Click on this option no label. Select create label. And then let me give a name to the label, which will be email list. After that, save. Now click on this option import contacts. Select file, and then I will go to the desktop and I will open the Excel file where I had saved the name and email list of the contact, and then open. I will select import. Now once the importing is finished, if I go to this email list, then I can see the name of two contact and the email address. Now if I have to use this one, I will go to Gmail, compose, and in this two box I will type the name of the label which I had created, which is email list. So I can select it, then I can type the subject, I can compose a message, and then I can send the email. So in this way, you can create email list in Gmail and use it.